We've all seen them in movies and history books, those incredibly lifelike machines that seem to move on their own. But what is an automaton? An automaton is a machine that operates by itself. It's a device designed to automatically perform a fixed, repetitive series of movements following a predefined pattern. These fascinating devices are the forerunners of modern robots, but with some key differences. Unlike a robot, an automaton functions exclusively with mechanical mechanisms like gears, cams, and springs. It has no electronics, no sensors, and no software to make its own decisions. Its only purpose is to perform a set sequence of actions over and over again. Historically, they were built as incredible works of art or complex toys to show off the genius of their creators. Because of this, they're completely inflexible. An automaton can't adapt to its environment or change its task. If something gets in its way, it can't react or go around it. A classic example is the Turk, an 18th century automaton that appeared to play chess. Or think of the intricate clockwork figures that move when the hour strikes. In short, think of an automaton as a highly advanced wind-up toy. It's an impressive piece of engineering, but it only has one fixed function, unlike modern robots which are both programmable and adaptable.